This high-performance personal blender from Vitamix offers a versatile and easy way to create healthy meals every day. With a 15cm footprint, you can produce 3 square meals a day without taking up much space in the kitchen. Great for those with small kitchens. The 0.6 litre and 1.2 litre BPA-free containers provide blending versatility. The smaller container becomes an instant travel cup, and the larger is ideal for creating small family meals of soups, sauces and more. With interchangeable blade base and a powerful motor, the blades can easily attach to both containers to crush ice and blitz through even the toughest of food. Create the same smooth meals no matter which container you use. The Vitamix Personal Blender is an easy and space-saving solution to nutritious, hearty meals.